Design principles of software engineering are as follows. Number 1. Software design should correspond to the analysis model. Often a design element corresponds to many requirements. Therefore, we must know how the design model satisfies all the requirements represented by the analysis model. Number 2. Choose the right programming paradigm. A programming paradigm describes the structure of the software system. Depending on the nature and type of application, different programming paradigms such as procedure-oriented, object-oriented, and prototyping paradigms can be used. Number 3. Software design should be uniform and integrated. Software design is considered uniform and integrated if the interfaces are properly defined among the design components. For this, rules, format, and style established before the design team starts the software. Number 4. Software design should be flexible. It should be flexible enough to adapt changes easily. To achieve the flexibility, the basic design concepts such as abstraction, refinement, and modularity should be applied effectively. Number 5. Software design should ensure minimal conceptual semantic errors. The design team should ensure the major conceptual errors of design such as ambiguousness and inconsistency are addressed in advance before dealing with the syntactical errors present in the design model. Number 6. Software design should be structured to degrade gently. Software should be designed to handle unusual changes and circumstances, and if the need arises for termination, it must do so in a proper manner so that the functionality of the software is not affected. Number 7. Software design should represent correspondence between the software and the real-world problem. The software design should be structured in such a way that it always relates with the real-world problem. Number 8. Software reuse. Software engineers believe in the phrase, "do not reinvent the wheel." Therefore, software components should be designed in such a way that they can be effectively reused to increase productivity. Number 9. Designing for testability. First, the software is developed, designed and implemented, and then handed over to testers, who subsequently determine whether the software is fit for distribution and subsequent use by the customer. However, it has become apparent that the process of separate testing is seriously flawed. If any type of design or implementation errors are found after implementation, then the entire or substantial part of the software requires to be redone. Number 10. Prototyping. Prototyping should be used when the requirements are not completely defined in the beginning. The user interacts with the developer to expand and refine their requirements as the development proceeds. Thank you.